Hey guys, welcome to Lucas's Toy Collection. Today I'm going to open up the last 3 packs, and this is and our last maybe 3 figures are going to be Wile E. Coyote and Porky Pig, and last but not least Tweety Bird. Now let's open up our first pack of the day. And I've got Tweety Bird.
And what are you making there?
I'm making the hammer for the bird. It won't be able to stand up because there's too much weight. But if you put it on here, it will stand up. And it can spin. Now let's make up its body. It almost has a complete yellow shirt. It almost. And here it is. We'll join it with the rest of our characters. Now we're making Porky Pig.
That's all, folks.
That's all, folks, is what his sign says. It's funny how do they now have small legs that wiggle. The only one that doesn't is Tweety Bird and Speedy Gonzales. I think maybe that's. Here is Porky Pig. Join us with the rest of our figures. And the last pack of the day. Or maybe the final pack. Yay, got our last figure.
Do you remember his name?
Wile E.
Coyote.
Wile E. Coyote. Here we are making Wile E. Coyote.
And do you know what this is called that you're making?
No.
It's called an anvil.
And here we are making anvil. They're quite heavy, aren't they?
Yes, they are extremely heavy.
Nobody can lift them up.
Looks as though Wile E. Coyote can.
In the picture. I can't see his muscles anywhere, can you? Here is Wile E. Coyote. And that's our final pack of the day. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. And hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos. But bye for now.